JROTC is about leadership, similar to you would have in any other corporation business. From our rifle team to our robotics team, our drone team, grader team, they have to have good grades if they want to compete. And sometimes it's just those programs are what bring them to school.
It's a huge extracurricular. Even though it's a class at Galena, there's a lot of stuff you do outside of the classroom. And so that's helped me a lot with college applications. Also, the course material does a lot of interpersonal work, conflict resolution. So I've learned a lot of skills through that. It just helped me get a good work ethic. Work hard in my classes and also work hard in JROTC.
I was the drill captain last year and we had a lot of opportunities. It's taught me a lot about work ethic, and it's definitely motivated me a lot because it has me really thinking about my future and everything. So it's definitely helped me with my other classes a lot.
Very few, 2 or 3% maybe actually try to go into the military of some sort. You see some great things coming out of kids that find their voice. We've met so many young people that super shy and they become their own individual and they go on to excel at other places.